What an address. We have just listed 43 Molakai Drive at Mountain Creek. It doesn't get much better, especially if you're a golfer. It's a golfer's dream as it backs onto the 7th hole of the Headland Golf Course. It has a huge entertaining area, built-in kitchen and a sparkling pool. Perfect for those warm summer nights. It's perfect for a family because it's walking distance to both the primary and high schools at Mountain Creek. If you're a tradie or a camping family, there's plenty of room to store a caravan, trailer or a boat. I think this is a really family-friendly haven and people are just going to love it.